everyone, Elizabeth here. Thank you so much for joining me today, and thank you so much for joining me on my unboxing journey. So today I'm opening my first FabFitFun style box, which is a monthly clothing subscription box where a stylist curates different clothes for you to try on, and if you like them, you can keep them, and if you don't, you just send them back. There's a $20 styling fee, which can be applied to your clothing that you purchase. So this is my first FabFitFun style box. So I just got it in the mail yesterday. This is the way it looks inside. Let's see, it says you're gonna look gorgeous. Here's what happens next. Love your looks. Your $20 goes toward the price of any item you love. Return the rest. Drop off the prepaid envelope at any FedEx location, and then bag your bonus. Did your stylist nail it? 25% off if you keep it all. Okay, then we got the clothes that are in the box. So there's 5 items, including earrings. Very cool. So we'll take a look at that in a little bit. Hello, Elizabeth. Welcome to FabFitFun Style. It has been a pleasure to style you. I'm super happy to share this box with you. I have some really cute pieces that I think you would love. For the first fabulous look, I picked the perfect staple for your closet. The Seville pants paired with our classic Evie wide neck short sleeve top and layered with our bestseller Tiffany blazer. This outfit is the perfect combination of business, professional, and trendy chic, which is what I'm trying to go for, right? For the second look, I chose a gorgeous Vera fit and flare dress. You can wear this dress to work or wear it to meet your family for dinner. I did tell her I spent a lot of time with the family, so I like that she included that. Add a touch of extra fabulousness to these looks. Wear them with the mica 10-karat gold plated earrings. I hope you love your new items as much as I do. Have fun with them and let me know if the sizes work. Happy styling. Katiana? I think it says Katiana. I like that personal note. And I did tell her I wanted a blazer and that I was looking for stuff for work. Okay, so let's pull out the bundle here. We do have, oops, oh, the earrings. A shipping bag. Excuse me. Okay. All right, well, here are the earrings. Cool, this is the way they packaged them. I guess I'll try to get them out of here. Again, this is my first time with this. Oh, cool. Okay. So we'll go, this is the way they came. All right, so let me figure out how to try these on. Okay, so I got the earrings on. Aren't they super pretty? I love them. They're so gorgeous. Okay, let's see. Let's get some information about these earrings. These are the mica 10-karat gold plated earrings, and these are $40. Let's get to the bundle. Here we go. Oh, some colors I love. Y'all know that I love the teal and black. This, I haven't tried this color, but let's get to it. This is the Evie Wild Neck short sleeve top, and this is $54. This is a medium. It's very thin material. I like that. It's good for the weather. And then it has this really cute, like, open back. So I probably have to, like, put an undershirt underneath it, I'm sure. Okay, I like that. Let's see. Next is this Tiffany boyfriend blazer. Oh my gosh, it is so pretty. I love it. I love the color. Looks like it's gonna get like wrinkled though, but oh, look at the sleeve. Isn't that so pretty? I love this. This is a medium blazer. It has a lining in it. Cool. So that one is $49. Next is this Vera fit dress. Oh my gosh. This is so different. I love it though. I really, really do. It's so cute. It reminds me like the 60s style or something. It's super cute. So that one is the Vera fit and flare dress, size medium, and that one is $74. And then last we have the Savvy pants. These are really nice, super good material. I like this detailing. Oh my gosh, that's gonna look so cute with the blazer and the white blouse. I love that she like put a whole outfit together here. And then they're also kind of basic so that I can pair with other stuff. These pants are $52. These pants are $52. Okay, so let's get trying. Well, here's the FabFitFun dress, and actually I really like it. The material is very nice. I like that it has pockets too, but I got stuck right here because there's like a seam here, and so the fabric changes and like everything changes, and I just don't think that the zipper is like too small, so unfortunately I couldn't get it to zip. I tried, my husband tried, so this is definitely a no. Hi there. Okay, so here is the white blouse with the black pants, and they both fit. I mean, the pants are a little bit tight, but I do like fitted pants. The top, it is open in the back, so I'm not really, I don't know, I'm not really sure about that. And the pants, I just don't like that they have a super cute detail and that it doesn't show with the shirt. And I don't know if I'm the type to wear like a tucked in top with pants, so I'm not there yet. Let me try on the blazer with it. Oh, this blazer fits, I love it. Okay, let's see. I mean, everything fits, I like it. The material is really good. I love the blazer. No buttons. Pockets, do they work? Do they have pockets? Yes, there's little pockets right here. And I love the blazer, and it comes down really long. I like that a lot. So, good.